our own in Kisii, that's Matiang'i, whom I'm supporting. I'm the spokesman of the Kisii community. And being a spokesman of the Kisii community, it calls upon myself indeed to stand with the person that I talk on behalf, and that is Fred Matiang'i. We want to urge our brothers all over the country, let us see the candidate of Matiang'i, and I'm calling upon Honorable Gashagwa, if indeed the passion that you have for the change of the country, the only change that we can get it through Matiang'i when you are supporting him. If Ruto today decided to support another person, let us assume he has vacated office in his first term, we ask him to support Matiang'i. Baba, if it's possible, if you're not running, support our brother, Dr. Fred Matiang'i. That's the call I'm making.